In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove recommended videos from YouTube. So you can do this to personalize your feed or to remove even channels from appearing on your recommended. So what we can do once we've got YouTube open, we can choose to click on any video. Now next to the video in the bottom right hand corner, there are going to be three dots. If you go ahead and click on that, you can choose here to not recommend this channel, and this is going to undo and not recommend this channel ever again. Or if you click not interested, it's going to remove that video from your recommended. Now, if you click on that button, what I would do is tell YouTube why. So you can put here, I've already watched the video, or I don't like the video. If you click I don't like the video, they're going to notice that and they won't recommend you videos kind of similar to this genre. They're going to use this information based on what you do on the YouTube platform and how you interact with videos, whether to recommend this video or videos like this to you. But those are kind of like your two ways to customize your recommended. Obviously, another way, YouTube use the data that they have from you based on what videos you watch. So if I click on this video and I watch it all the way until the end, YouTube are probably going to recommend me more videos of this nature. So just understanding how the YouTube recommendation system works, those are the two ways that you can unrecommend videos from it.